Delicious Dreams by La Viola Ward Tefani. That's me. For California and Roma. Little Roma's off to bed. A yummy journey lays ahead. Finally, now fast asleep, she starts to have delicious dreams. Carried to a world of fun, a tempting trek has just begun. First are dancing fruits galore, oranges, peaches, pears, and more. Then a land of sandwiches, tuna fish and hamwiches, a toasty smell of bread arose that warmly greeted Roma's nose. Next there were all types of meat, piled high, all you can eat, sausages up to the sky, bacon, chicken, my oh my. Vegetables came dancing through, asparagus and okra too, lettuce, broccoli, and more. Turnips sprang up from the floor. Then appeared all types of cheese, cheddar, Swiss, and Gouda trees. The cheesy trees were so much fun until they melted from the sun. Next came everything to drink. Juices, milk, and soda, think. Lots of bubbles all around, vivid puddles on the ground. Last was every child's dream. Lots of sweets, cake, and ice cream. Candies, cookies, donuts, too. Right from out the ground they grew. Vines of caramel, chocolate, grass. Every treat a kid could ask. Roma woke up smiling bright. What a scrumptious, tasty night. The dream she had been so real, it felt as if she'd had a meal. The end.